And load up the stream right now on your browser. Yeah. Because right now you see me, right? But you don't actually see my chart. Yeah, in Telegram, like you don't. If you were like, you know, paying for a service for Telegram, would you want to see me, or do you want to see my charts on Telegram? Like, you want to see this? Like, right? You sure? Okay, okay, okay. Hold on. Let me disable my camera here. Okay. Hold on. I gotta. Yeah, I'm live, but I want to show you my MT4. Yeah. So on the stream, like you don't hear you, right? How do I? Because people are gonna want to hear the banter. How do I get you to? Let's see here. Here's. This is what you see. Okay, see all that? Oh, it's ace. It's ace. Hold on. Why is my camera not working on OBS here? Deactivate, activate. Well, let me end this call. So let me leave, and I'll call back. Hold on. There we go. Okay, why can I not share anymore? Video. Hello, share screen. Let's do. Hold on here. It's a lot got going on right now, right? Yeah, it's weird. Why is there a random thing of Telegram above my head, my stream? Okay. Okay, let me close Telegram 1 second here. Okay, hold on. Hold on. What? You know, let's delete this. Okay. So that's removed. You can see me on the stream still. All right. It's looking pretty good. Okay, perfect. So we're here. But the stream, you're saying you cannot hear yourself. So why? Window capture, audio output, application audio capture. Let's do that. Let's do Telegram TG. Telegram. Okay, let's try this. Okay, let's try it. Say something on your end.
Where? YouTube or Telegram?
Telegram.
I mean, I still see the chart.
On Telegram, but on the actual YouTube, tell me if you actually hear yourself.
Okay, I'm going there. Okay, you be quiet for a second, eh?
Oh, it does. It is capturing you.
Are you playing that as well now?
Yeah. Oh, it works. It works.
Yeah?
Yeah, I hear you. Perfect. Okay, so you're here. Perfect, perfect, perfect. Let me... jump on the call with us. So I got someone else that's going to be joining us on the call as well.
Okay.
Just to see if this is going to be something good. Okay, she's almost done. All right, perfect. Ooh. All that fighting, all that stuff. Okay, so this is what I want to show you. Okay, on the actual chart. So on my chart, you see it?
Yep.
Okay. You see the bottom, like right here. See the bottom right here?
Yeah.
So this is called a relative strength index indicator. Okay. And you see these little dotted lines at the top and at the bottom.
Yeah.
So these are areas of if it's oversold, right, or overbought above here. Okay. You don't want to be trading in between the zones. You want to get it to the very extreme, and then start thinking about, okay, I'm about to get ready to take a trade. Okay. We are looking at the 1 minute chart. So every single candle is a 1 minute candle. It represents 60 seconds of movement in that 1 minute. See? You see this little 1 minute here on Bitcoin? It went from 90,622 and it dropped all the way down to 90,405. Okay?
Yeah.
So there's the 1 minute. As you go higher in the time frames, you got the 5 minute, 15 minute, 30 minute, 1 hour, 4 hour, and it goes all the way to monthly, okay? When you click the time frames, what it represents is that when you click on the 5 minute chart, that means every 5 minute, like every candle you see is a 5 minute of activity.
Yeah.
So this, okay? But if you zoom out, like if you zoom in again to 1 minute, you'll see that 5 of these 1 minute candles represents one 5 minute candle. So a lot of people, what they say is the best practice is if you want to drown out all this noise, all this movement that you see right here, all this, right? You want to go higher in the time frame just to drown it out, just see what the total movement is. You'll see like, oh, okay, it starts to become more clear. Let's see what the 4 hours looking. It's starting to look pretty choppy, right? It's just going up and down, up and down. It's not really going through one direction. You see that?
Yeah.
But here, you can see that it clearly is trending up, right?
Yeah.
So when people are saying that, like, what is the current trend? And you look at it, like, on a time zone where it's like, oh, okay, it's pretty clear. It's still bullish. This is what they're talking about. Zoom out of the chart until you finally can tell what's the actual trend. So this is the daily chart we're looking at. This is the weekly chart. If you look at the weekly, this area right here, let me see if I can do a... Where's my rectangle? Where's my shapes? This is why I hate the MT5 platform for this. I went for my program to go on sale. But here, let's highlight this area here. This area here looks pretty choppy, right? It's going up and down, up and down, up and down. This is when you were probably holding Solana for so long, it kept on going up and down, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So it was stuck in a range, and it finally broke out, and you can clearly see that it has rocketed, right? Yeah. This is, each candle here represents 1 week worth of movement. So that's a lot of data. Okay. Now, you see at the bottom, relative strength index, right? Yeah. Every time it hits these areas, it's kind of like an area of interest. Like, okay, you know what? I might want to think about selling Bitcoin, right? You'll see that it comes down, right? You go down to the daily, right? It's oversold somewhere here, right? You'll see a line up here that there's some crazy wicks. It went up and went back down, went up, went back down, right?
Yeah.
You go to 4 hour, nothing, but over here shows the same thing. You can see these little pullbacks is happening. It's like, oh shit, 89,000. It pulled all the way back down to 85,000. So that's a $4,000 drop. Okay. Same thing we're going to trade on the 1 hour. So the way I trade for now, which is, you got to be really patient about this, is that I go down to the 1 minute, 5 minute, 15, even 30 minute. Okay. If all these lines up where it's like in the either overbought or oversold, we got to be watching to take trades. Okay. But you don't want to just do that. So, see these little yellow lines I'm putting in here? The yellow lines you see? Okay. So these lines, I like to place them to see like an area of like supply and demand. So, you heard about support and resistance?
Yeah.
That's the concept. You want to see, so right now, a resistance line right now has formed at the all-time high, and it never came back to it. So 93,261. Okay. You can see that there's another smaller resistance line here because it keeps on touching it, right? The more a price area touches, as frequent as it is, the strong, like it ideally textbook, that means that it's a very strong support or resistance. So if you come down here to this bottom yellow line I have here, you see these little, all these little candles right here?
Yeah.
It touched it how many times? A lot, right? And then it finally broke it. People will trade based on the breakouts. That it finally broke, right? And then they take their buys right here. They take their buy right there, and then they put a stop loss all the way at the bottom, right here. Right? So whatever they risk from here to here, so from top to bottom here, right?
Yeah.
Is what they're expecting to gain from here to here. So let's just say that they're you're risking here to here is 10% 10% risk, right?
Mm-hmm.
You would want to gain 10% from here to here. So 10% would be right here. So you'll be closing out somewhere up here. Okay?
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
This is considered a successful trade, right?
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
So this is a breakout trade, which I rarely do. I prefer the shorter time frame trades like this, because the trade I just showed you where it's like a breakout, where was it? Where was it? What time frame did I show you?
I think it was 4 hour.
Yeah. So 4 hours. Each candle represents 4 hours, right? So you got 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24 hours. So you got 24 hours here for one movement.
Mm-hmm.
Then you got another 24 hours. Like, you would be waiting for days. But it's a successful trade, right?
Yeah.
I prefer these shorter time frames because then you're in, you're out. But it comes with its risk.
Yeah.
Okay. So, yeah, I already took a trade before calling you. Right here. It hit my take profit. So I went with a 0.1 lot trade this time. So I heavily reduced my trades.
Okay.
You'll see on the right, it says the profit, $37, $28,
Oh, okay.
right?
So, mm-hmm.
But normally the trade size, see the volume here? See the trade size right here?
Yeah.
0.1. Normally I'll be trading 1.0, meaning all the profits you see on the right, instead of being $37, you add an extra 0. That would have been my normal size trades.
Huh.
So instead of being $125 in profit, it would be $1,250 in profit for one trade.
So why did you?
I'm reducing it based on the account size now.
Okay.
Because this, like I said, the way I trade it, it's mad swings in my account, right?
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
So right now, because we're gonna go on stream and everything, I have to trade basically to my account size. I want to see how quickly I can flip the account before I actually start trading properly. Okay.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
So we're on stream. We're looking at this. Let me show you this other window, which helps me. Where is it? Oh, this guy right here. See this screen?
Yo, do you mind? I know we're in the middle of. I was just thinking because this phone screen is too small.
Oh, you want to call or join in on your laptop?
Yeah, so I was just searching Telegram. I think I just tried to connect it on my phone.
Yeah. So do this. Go to telegram.org and download it
Yeah,
onto your computer.
but you know how WhatsApp web works? There's a website which I can do like the Telegram thing. Doesn't that work?
Yeah, but if you use your laptop and download Telegram, you'll have a bigger screen, and it works just like WhatsApp.
Okay, let's see. Let's continue. I'll keep that going on the background.
Yeah.
I can.
So apparently, there's a lot of people, not a lot, but people are mentioning that. Whoa. Oh, wait, hold on. No. Jump right in, bro. is all in the beta testing.
Yeah, I'm seeing your screen, eh?
Yeah. Do you see it? You see it? You see it?
Yeah.
I don't think you got.
So it's like, when there are two mirrors opposite to each other, there are like so many of you, so I have like hundreds of charts.
What the hell is
Wow.
going on here? Why is it doing that? Okay, you know
Okay, I'm
what?
dropping.
Yeah, I'll do it like that. On the broadcast channel. Someone should be joining us here. Oh, shit. Someone decided to come on. You're muted. Let me see here. Allowed to. Oh, wait. I gotta make you allowed to speak. Wow. I have that much power? Okay, let's see here. Let's see. I think I'm gonna move it here. I'll move the Telegram thing here. I can't see shit on this side. Where's my Discord? What? Man, I got so many things running right now. I'm surprised that my computer's even holding up.
But there you are.
Oh, wow. It took you long enough to figure out your setup. Come on now.
You know what? Listen, okay?
Okay, hold on. Let me do some introductions here. So we got Arun on the call, and then
Hello.
we got Shelly, or if you want to say your name.
Call me Shelly, yeah. You could just call me Shelly.
Okay, all right.
Yeah.
Filthy
Yeah.
animal. Can you
What's
hear?
up? What's up?
Can you hear me?
Yeah, we
I
can hear.
can.
Okay, I just switched to the laptop. I don't know if I
Nice,
can hear.
nice. Which means you can see the screen better, right?
Oh yeah.
Okay.
Oh yeah.
Okay. Okay. So, Shelly, when we're looking at this chart we're going here, trying to give him like an idea of how I would like to
Okay.
trade. Okay.
Yeah.
All right. So let me take it from the beginning here. So,
The sound of the water is not bothering you, is it?
I don't even hear it.
Okay, perfect.
Hold on. Let me pull up a new chart here. Let's pull up a new chart. Let's pull up. What is our favorite garbage here? Oh, let's see. Solana, Dogecoin. Oh my God! Let's pull up this garbage. Okay.
What was
It's
happening
not.
with Doge?
Okay. Let's just don't worry. Let's look at this garbage. Okay. All right. All right. Okay. Everyone sees my chart on Telegram.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yep.
All right. So I want you to understand what a candlestick is. Okay. All right. So if we take, yeah, we're gonna be looking at the daily time frame. Wait, actually, are you looking at my screen on a phone, or are you looking at my screen on a computer?
I'm looking at it on a phone just because obviously I'm moving around.
Okay. So it's gonna be very hard for you to see the prices on the side, but that's okay. So each candlestick you see, right, on this time frame, because we're on the daily, it represents 24 hours of movement. Okay.
Okay.
All right, let's zoom in. Yeah, there we go. That's better. Okay. So let's take this candle for example. This guy right here. Let's highlight it. This and this. Okay. You see how this candle has a body, and then it has these little wicks at the bottom, at the top. You see it? Can you see it?
Well, I think it's very hard for me to see. But okay,
Hold
gotcha.
on. No. You need to understand this.
Okay.
Hold on, let me see here. Can I go with a green?
Well, what if I go like, oh, wait a minute. Hold on. Wait, I can kind of oh, I can zoom in.
Yeah, but let me just, why is it not showing on Telegram? Okay, yeah, so this candle right here, right? See that candle? You see the little thin wicks?
Yeah.
We call them wicks?
Yep.
Okay, and then you see this big body, like a little rectangle, okay? How this candle is formed is that the price starts, it opens here, because remember, each candle is 24 hours, okay?
Mm-hmm.
It opens here, it decided to go up, right, up in price, then back down, then somewhere in the middle, and then finally at the end of the day it decided to close here. It finished off up here, okay? So because it finished in the green, it creates this candle body and it shades in green, saying that this was a green day, okay?
Okay.
But the wicks represents where price has went for that day. It actually went really low, below the opening price, and actually went extremely high, but it couldn't hold there, so it came right back down and closed down here within the 24-hour trading period. Are you following?
Wait, so hold on, back it up.
Okay.
So when it went all the way up, it that's the highest, or that's
Yeah, the wicks represents where price has went for that day.
Okay.
Okay. If it actually closed up there, then it would be one massive rectangle, rectangle candle, and this whole entire thing would be a green candle. But it didn't.
Right.
It just went up there, and people started selling and everything, and said, "Nope, I'm cashing out," and then boom, it settled around here. Okay, does that make sense?
Right. Yeah.
Okay, well, let's fast forward to a red candle. Okay, the next day, the red candle, it opened here. It went all the way down. Right, you see the little wicks, the red wicks. Can you actually see it or no?
I can see it.
Okay, so the wicks, but then it pulled all the way back up, and then it closed right there. It has a little body that's in the red because it closed down. Okay?
Okay.
So that's how candlesticks are formed. Okay? The purpose of these candlesticks, when you look at it from a broad view of all these candles combined, is supposed to display the psychology of the market. Okay?
Right.
One of the patterns I want to tell you really quickly is, if you see like 3 green candles like this back to back, they're called 3 white soldiers. These are candlestick pattern names.
White soldiers.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Because back then the Japanese candlesticks wasn't green and red, it was black and white. And back then when they were printing candlestick like patterns, it was on newspapers. There wasn't computers back then, so they wait for their local newspaper to print out charts in the financial section, and they would take this entire chart and they would actually draw out patterns like this manually with pen and paper.
Wow.
Okay, so that's why they call it 3 white soldiers. If the newspaper back then printed color, then it would have been called 3 green soldiers. Okay, but it was called 3 white soldiers because of what it was printed at the time. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
All right. Why am I getting a message here? Oh my god. Freaking wife is acting all cocky here with the guru. She thinks she's all telling me that she She could have told the people on the stream what a candlesticks are. I'm about to smack her.
Who?
My wife. About to smack her here. So, alright, so, yes. The whole point of candlesticks is supposed to drown out the noise and it's supposed to tell you the psychology of the market. Okay? We will cover those patterns for another day. What we're going to be looking at is what I use to trade, and that is, have you heard of the terms support and resistance?
Yes, I have.
Okay.
Don't ask me to explain it, but I have.
Okay, support and resistance is all it is that price will go somewhere, and if it struggles to break above or below a certain price for long periods of time, we're talking about like it keeps on going to that price and it seems to fail to break through, you are hitting a support or resistance level. Okay?
Okay.
You want to be executing on trades around those zones just to be safe. You don't want to be taking trades like around like ideally you want to try and catch when it starts to reverse, right?
Right.
But for me, I like to trade based on the RSI at the bottom. You'll see at the bottom here these little lines. I don't know if it's really clear on Telegram, but you'll see these dotted lines. Can you see it? I don't know if you can.
Where do you want me to look? At the bottom?
Yeah. Do you see this down here?
Yeah.
Do you see the dotted lines across the top at the bottom or no?
No, they're too small.
Okay. All right. Well, just visualize it. There's a line here, right? There's a line here, and then there's a line here. Actually, can I draw a line here? I'm pretty sure I can. Yeah, there we go. So there's a line there, and then there's a line there. Okay, see that?
Yeah.
So every time this line crosses either below or above these lines, it represents an extreme in price, meaning there's a huge likely chance that prices are going to reverse. Right? You'll see one here. See right here? Like kind of dip just below this line right here. It reversed. See right here? It crashed. See right here? It kind of like reversed. Right? See right here? It kind of pulled back a little bit. So it has a pretty good success rate. The problem is that how many times can you take that same trade over and over without getting burned?
How did you get, like, how do you know where to put the line?
These lines? Like that I drew?
Yeah.
No, these ones comes as a default setting when you load up the indicator.
Yeah, but that's what I mean. Like, how do you know how to set it?
You don't. It sets up automatically.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Okay. Okay. So we're good, right? Are we good?
Yeah.
Okay. So with the indicator at the bottom, I like to match it up where if it falls in the lines up here, like this yellow line here, let's just say price is going up like crazy. It's going so fast and it hits this area and all of a sudden my indicator at the bottom is showing that's being overbought. That's an area where it's like, okay, I'm looking to take some trades. This is a good area. So right now we're looking at Bitcoin and you'll see that like, you see how it's just ranging like this? It's just going sideways.
Yeah.
Nothing's happening. We're just waiting.
Okay.
We are waiting for the people that have the money to take it where it needs to go. And we're just trying to jump on the bandwagon and just ride it through. Okay?
Makes sense.
Yeah, so we're gonna delete that. That's the idea. So right now, I think the Tokyo market is opening in like 30 minutes, so more volume's gonna be coming in. So for me, a pretty good area to be looking for some type of trading opportunity is somewhere here. Either there or... Yeah, these are going to be extreme prices, but we're going to find one here, one there, and maybe this one. Yeah, we're going to wait for these prices. So if it drops below 90,000, so 89,000 is like $800 price area, we're going to be looking for buys.
Where? If it hits
here, 89,000. This first line right here.
I see, okay.
This area only makes sense if it lines up with the indicator at the bottom that I have. Okay. So
okay.
If it shows that's in the oversold area, it's like, okay, this is like, pay attention. It's time to get ready to pull the trigger. So that's the idea. So a lot of times it's just literally waiting around for the charts for Bitcoin. But if you have, you know, there's like other charts that we can be looking at. Like, for example, see here, we have Forex pairs. We have Canadian, Japanese yen. We can trade the New Zealand dollar and the yen because both markets are open. Actually, I'm going to add that to my list. Yeah, I'm going to add it to the list here. Give me a second. Sucker. New Zealand dollar JPY.P. And then GJ. Yeah, CHFJPY.P. Let's see if that. Perfect. So on a little fun, you know how you said you wanted to get into cooler technologies to stock?
Yes.
Yeah, today would have been a good day to start scaling in because it dropped.
I know, I saw that. I meant to, but I got distracted by cuteness. and then, and then when I went to work, I was like, oh crap, I was supposed to get, yeah, but I saw it drop. Hopefully it stays like that tomorrow. Color. Did it go back up?
No.
Okay. So I got time.
What is this person saying? Okay. Merry Christmas. I feel like this holiday season, you know what, let me show you guys like the dumbasses I'm dealing with on Reddit. Oh my god, it's breaking out. Okay. Alright, we gotta wait.
What's breaking up? So is it still delaying?
No, on Telegram, you guys, it's pretty much close to real time right now.
Okay.
But I want to see you guys with this. This is what I'm reading right here, okay? I feel like this holiday season, it's important to remind people of the true meaning of Christmas. Ghosts terrorizing rich people in the middle of the night until they agree to pay their employees more. Okay?
Oh.
This is my post right here. Nah, we don't need more pay. We need meaningful promotions. We need social programs that help people transition from dead-end jobs to better high-end demand careers. We need programs that help Canadians not international visitors who siphon from the same pool of funds that's supposed to go to Canadians. We need government to break up monopolies and focus on creating an environment for competition to come in. We need better government representation of the people and not for the corporations. So please, everyone, vote with your dollars and give the small local business who can grow to compete with these SOBs. So I have an idiot here that says, that all sounds great, but I also do in fact need more pay. I'm like, no, you don't. You need a promotion.
Right. But isn't that kind of what they're trying to say too?
No. They're saying more pay, meaning that like people that work at Tim Hortons, works as a cashier, getting in on an entry level position, they're all complaining that we deserve more pay. It's like, no, you don't. If you got hired on as an entry level position, there should be a promising career that you will in fact move up in the company.
Oh, I see what you mean. Okay.
But these companies are being trained so easily to triple the workload and get you to work multiple positions for the same pay. You don't want more pay, you want better promotions. So I'm dealing with an idiot here that has no idea that if everyone starts demanding higher pay, then inflation is just going to go up with everyone. Freaking idiots.
Well, he also doesn't realize that, like, I mean, what's happening in the States is there's a lot of restaurants or whatever, or companies closing down because of that.
Yep.
They can't afford it.
Yep.
Or not that they can't afford it, but they're just going to cut because they're not gonna pay.
Yep. Yep.
They're kind of pricing themselves out.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. What is this guy? 50K YOLO, the Walmart tariff gambit. This guy put $50,000 on Walmart?
Ooh. Why you think that's... Think Walmart's gonna crash?
I'm trying to figure out what he put on Walmart. Hold on here. Love me, love me. What did you put on Walmart here? 80 plus call options. Okay, hold on. Let's see what this maniac did. Okay, hold on here. So Arun, this guy bought 80 contracts, $6.63 a piece, $87.50 strike price. This is insane.
Yep.
Where is it? And this shit is expiring. Oh, no, he gave himself a year. It's expiring in August 2025. Okay.
Amprius. Have you heard about Amprius Technologies? Amprius.
What's the ticker symbol?
AMPX. AMPX. So I was looking at Kohler, then they have some kind of deal with this Amprius. AMPX.
Okay, let's see here. Where are they about here? Huh? Let's see this. Amprius engages in manufacture and distribution of batteries. These products are primarily used for existing and emerging aviation applications. So Cooler and them, I guess they're the manufacturer. It's like us with our company working with Elnor.
Yeah, kind of. I guess.
They buy the batteries and have them manufacture the batteries, and they just buy it wholesale and resell it to, I guess, to NVIDIA.
So one Reddit post I read was like, the guy was actually saying Kohler doesn't actually manufacture batteries. They have like a technology which like a coolant technology for batteries. So Ampex is actually the one that manufactures batteries. So they use Kohler's technology. I don't know. That's what I understood from that post.
But are they good, like, partnership? Like, is it a good symbiotic partnership, or are they trying to directly compete with each other?
No, that's what I'm saying. So it's like how we said, right? So we use Arnold gauges for our work. So it's not like we are competing with them. We are using their products,
Yeah.
but it's a similar situation with these two, as far as I understood. I think so. So one guy was saying, so if cooler goes up, this stock supposed to go up as well, like because they have some kind of symbiotic relationship,
Right.
right?
Do you see that in the chat right now? On the YouTube chat, by any chance?
What? Your chart?
Yeah. Because right now it looks like Bitcoin is running right now. You got 15 minutes.
Do you see that in the chat right now? On the YouTube chat?
I can hear
by any
myself.
chance?
I can hear myself.
What?
Oh my god.
It's just you. My sound, my sound is not picking up in your YouTube channel.
Really?
Right now, I didn't hear anything.
No, don't say that.
Your chart?
Yeah.
Yeah, there we go. See?
Right now, it looks like Bitcoin is running right now. Got 15 minutes. Do you see that in the chat right now?
Yeah, you can hear yourself.
On the YouTube chat, by any chance? I can hear myself.
Right? You hear yourself, right?
I don't know. Maybe my brain is not braining. I don't hear me. But yeah.
Oh, let me see here. Let me see. Yeah, I hear you still. Okay, good.
Yeah. Okay.
All right. But if only you guys can see like the crazy setup on my screen. I have Discord here, I have Telegram, another thing. I have like the MT5 program. I have 2 browsers going, and I can't have everything open because I can't see everything because I don't have enough screens. And then I have a freaking MacBook.
You need to see that much?
If I'm the one hosting, technically, yeah. You know, just an FYI, everyone. Shelly talks a lot of shit. Okay, just give me a heads up.
Wow, where's this instigation coming from? I just came from a hard day's work, and you just good. Wow.
Whoa. Okay, I'm just spitting out facts right now. Okay.
Facts. You know what? You know what? Someone's getting a little fat.
Oh yeah.
Okay.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah.
Talking so much. I think you need to. You know what? I think you need to shit it out. Okay.
Okay. You know what? Remind me. I want to bust that toe of yours. Just remind me next time, right?
Yeah. Hey, you know, as long as you pay for all the bills, go ahead.
Yeah. Let's see.
Yeah, you know what? You make all this stock market work and knock yourself out.
Oh, hold on here. Let's see. Cooler.
I'll just make myself an added member to your family.
Yeah, Dante's gonna be like, ooh, why is Tita here? She doesn't live here.
I do now. If you bust my toe, you break my toe, it looks like I'm moving in.
Oh man, this is not looking good. We may not be able to get a trade off today. Let's look at Solana, huh? You like that? You like that? You like that coin?
I did at one point, man, but it was hard for me to get, so I didn't even bother.
What?
And then Solana from way back when.
Oh, you heard about it too? What? You both can't tell me why this coin is even important.
I forget now because I stopped looking at crypto so long ago, but Was it? I mean, he could correct me because I've stopped looking at it. But wasn't it like trying to be like Ethereum? Sorry,
No.
Ethereum.
I don't know. I don't know if Arun understood.
But like it was cheaper.
I don't.
Like anyone anyone else want to say something?
Okay, well, you know what? Let's do us a favor, okay? Let's Google Solana, okay? Solana. Go, what
Wow.
is the
I,
purpose
I,
of?
I don't know, man. I just bought Solana based on my based on social media. But it worked out, right? I told you, like, if I had kept it, like, I would have been up what, like 200% by now.
I know.
Yeah.
See,
Okay.
if I bought it when I couldn't like, because there was when it first came, you had to go through all these like different crypto sites, and I'm like, yo, I can't be exchanging, and I'm like, nah. So I just watched it.
Yeah. Used to
See,
be
I would have been rich
going
like
to
you.
like
We would have
Dennis,
been
right?
rich together,
What?
right?
What? No. What are you guys saying, man? I'm just
What,
broke.
Dennis? You have some in it?
No. It was
You have some?
Arun had quite a bit in it actually before.
Oh, okay. Oh,
Before
you
the
sold
election.
it?
Yeah, before the election.
Oh,
And the election
okay.
kind of went the opposite way.
Went the went the opposite way.
Hold on here. I'm reading right now. History of blockchain. We started off with the concept of proof of work. Okay, all right, yeah, all right. It's starting to try to compete with Ethereum.
See, I was right. Okay,
Hold
got
on.
some knowledge.
I'll be right back. 1 second.
Okay. Ooh,
Oh yeah, Dante, you wanna
about to run a red.
check your room, Dante? Okay, hold on. Oh god. What? Bitcoin kept going? What the fuck? The hell is this? Hold on. Why? Oh my god.
Oh, it's going.
Oh my god. What the? Okay, it's
Your chat, it broke out. The yellow line.
yeah.
That's what you're talking about, right?
Yeah.
The dotted lines.
But it's on the 1 minute, right? It gets more stronger if
Oh.
all the other time frames line up. So like if you take like a sell right now, it's kind of risky. Hold on, let me see here. So I'm gonna break it down to these type of trades. All right, let's see here. All right, let's have a look. Oh, you see how it's pulling back? You could have like take a little short trade there, but it's not in the yellow area. Oh my god, it's still pushing. So look at the time, it's 7:53, okay? So be mindful. 7:54 now. So there's 6 minutes left in the 5-minute candle, 15-minute candle, 30-minute candle, 1 hour, right? And when these candles print, it's going to send the algorithm a signal as to what to do in the next candle. Does that make sense? So, see, Okay, you see how all this movement just happened here? It happened in the
Uh-huh.
so the 1 hour started when 7 o'clock came around, right?
Yeah.
Now that 54 minutes has passed out of the 1 hour candle or 60-minute candle, we're looking at the tail end, the last 6 minutes, and that's usually when like a lot of movement happens because
Okay.
it's trying to figure out if this 1 hour candle here is either going to close in the green or going to be closed in the red,
Mm-hmm.
but it's still pushing. So I'm not chasing this, okay? I'm waiting. It's still pushing. Yo, this is gonna be insane. It's actually gonna go up here. It's probably gonna go up in this area right here. 91,000, maybe 91,600. It might go to that price. Yeah. Yeah, 91,600. Look at it go. Look at it go.
91,200. Okay.
You have the MT4 platform on your computer loaded, right?
Who, me?
Yeah.
MT4, no.
I mean, sorry, MT5.
So about that, right? So I went to the website, created the account, right? Then I downloaded the software.
Yeah.
Do I just log in that software, or do I have to go through the whole setting up account thing over there again?
No. Once you download the software, because you have the account
Yeah.
number set up already right now, right? Like you have an account number.
Uh-huh. Yeah.
When you log into the website and the back end, you can see your account number. You can set the like reset the password for the platform. Once you log in, you get access to this free data of like charting until you fund
So
the
when I
account.
click it, so it is asking me list of companies, add a new company,
Yeah,
like
so
PO Prime Limited, go next. Then it's asking me open a demo account, open a real account, or connect with an existing account.
yeah,
So do I do that?
you would click the existing account, but the way you find that is if you log into your back office on the online website.
Yeah, I'm currently logged in there.
Yeah, so you see in the section when it talks about your accounts on the left hand side.
Yeah.
Okay, so when you open up that, did you open up an MT5 account? Because it should show there on that homepage.
Okay, live accounts.
Yeah, any accounts
Okay,
there?
so when I click live accounts, it says application incomplete.
Okay, so then you have to finish the application then just to get an account number, but you don't have to fund it right away.
Oh, okay. I thought I uploaded all the documents, but now it's asking for a address verification.
Yeah,
Okay, gotta do that as well.
yeah. Oh, look at that. It's pulling back. Look at that. Look at that. Ugh. Ugh. That
Yo,
indicator.
do you ever short? Would you short it?
For Bitcoin, I got burnt too many times trying to short it.
Okay.
I was more consistent with, buying it for to go up right now, just based on right now. Apparently, the company MSTR,
Yeah.
they bought $4.2 billion worth of Bitcoin at around 88,800,
Okay.
which means that we call that as a support area. That a massive company like this bought 4 point something $billion worth of Bitcoin at that price. I don't think it's going to break below that.
Okay.
So I don't want to short Bitcoin. This is just way too crazy.
Can can you explain? Okay, you know how Bitcoin is supposed to have limited coins,
Yeah,
right?
yeah.
So how is it just getting traded here? Like,
So on this
how's it
platform,
getting traded here and there?
so this platform, you don't technically own Bitcoin.
Oh, interesting. Okay.
It's mainly you're trading based on the price.
I see.
Yeah, you're essentially, if you put in an order on this platform right now that you want to buy Bitcoin, the company that's hosting our account right now is taking the other side of that trade,
Right.
hoping that
But
you would
you.
lose.
Oh.
Yeah. So
But so the people who are trading in this account, do they know that they don't own Bitcoin when they buy it?
yeah,
Like, is there an.
yeah.
Okay. Interesting.
Because here, like if I place a trade right now, right?
Yeah.
I pretty much get to like on this account, I can technically buy and sell like 5 Bitcoins. And each Bitcoin is
Okay.
technically $91,000. I don't have $91,000 times 5 to be trading.
Right.
But
Right.
this platform gives you the ability to leverage and be able to buy and sell Bitcoin at the price it's at. So you may not be able to buy the full Bitcoin if you had all cash, but you'll be able to trade fractionally. Shit, it's 8 o'clock. Okay,
So
let's
if
see. Sorry.
so if you buy the 5 and you lose, that means you owe that much?
No. If it starts to go against you, you start losing only whatever you have in your account. So if you have like,
Oh,
$5,000 and it goes too much against you where you're pretty much close to losing 5,000, they'll close you out completely.
oh, okay.
You'll never lose more than what you have in the account.
Oh, interesting. Okay.
What the hell? Bitcoin, you're still going. You're still going. I think we missed our bus stop. Our bus stop was down here. Damn it. Damn it.
You didn't know. That would have been risky, no?
No, I had buys. It just started like, what was here? It was at, I bought it at $90,282. Another one at $90,350. So that was somewhere here. Yeah. Somewhere all in this area right here. And then I cashed out on this candle right here. I'm like, yeah, I'm out. Cashed out. And then it pulled back like this, but I kept on going. Oh no, it's looking like it's going to keep on going.
Do you know why it's moving right now?
Don't know. There's too many exchanges that actually trade Bitcoin, and there's too many institutions that actually have their money in Bitcoin right now, so it's actually moving not as volatile compared to back in the day.
Right.
2018, 2019, it would gap. Like it would have some massive gaps. It would go from here
Yeah.
to all the way down here in a split second. So,
Yeah.
but the price movement of Bitcoin,
And then it'll shoot right back up.
yeah, but now there's too many institution money in it that like it kind of like regulated the prices a little bit. It moves more fluid.
Yeah.
Oh man.
Do you have Bitcoin or do you just trade it?
No, I don't have any Bitcoin. Wow. Okay. People started to realize proof of work cannot be the basis of the decentralized web because of the low TPs, high block time. Okay, projects like XRP, Stellar, Hedra are more centralized, high fast block time chain. Unfortunately, these blockchains have to. That's a whole lot of reading I gotta do just to figure out if Solana is the real deal or not. No, too much reading right now. How about no?
I think from what I remember, it's like competing with Ethereum, and it's supposed to be faster, and like the contracts are cheaper. I think
Yeah,
to build on Solana.
Yeah, but what's sad is that this coin couldn't get any footing as to doing well
Yeah.
when Bitcoin prices was low. So all the price movement on Solana and all that stuff was based on that Bitcoin was going up in price. So if Bitcoin were to drop, it's going to take Solana with it.
Isn't that? Oh, I guess I was like, isn't that for most coins?
Yep. Yeah.
Or, yeah.
That's why a lot of these coins, it's all pegged to the Bitcoin
Like,
performance.
does it matter? Yeah.
What? Say what? 4 Solana is now $1,000.
What?
No, this guy, he's just hurting.
Oh,
Yeah. Wow. What is this? I'm 24 years old with 40,000 in the bank. Job needed any ideas?
did you actually? Obviously, you didn't see because you're not paying attention. But Mogo went back to $2. It went down to like $1.80.
What? $2. I saw it actually.
Yeah, now it's like at $2.
You're lying. Hold on here.
222 actually. I think I saw.
Oh, you're looking at that price. I'm seeing $1.44.
What price are you looking at? Because we keep saying this different prices.
Yeah, I see the American one.
Yeah.
Oh my god. Bitcoin. Alright guys. Well, I guess that will be it for this evening's stream in here. There's no way anything else is happening. Man. This is...
No excitement.
No. The evening streams is going to be really tough, like, because there's not a lot of volume.
Right.
It's mostly during the day. Oh god. Okay. All right. Well, I'm gonna go get something to eat because I'm breaking my fast. I am going to. Oh wait, Bitcoin, are you dropping? Oh, crap.
No, it's just playing with you.
Crap! Don't say that. Don't.
Just teasing you, Dennis.
Oh,
Just
God.
teasing you.
Oh my god! 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 I mean, do I want to take a sell? Arun, tell me. Give me the signal.
I'm going mute.
Oh my god. Good. Give me the signal. You know the rules. Oh my god. Are we
What are
selling?
the rules?
Are we selling here? Are we selling?
Just on the spot, no pressure.
Yo, I'm sweating, Dennis.
Oh yeah? Tell me, are we
Oh,
selling?
I see green.
Are we selling? Are we selling? Oh man.
No comments.
right. Okay. So I'm
Wait,
gonna.
Dennis, is this the guy that took the options?
Yeah, that's him.
Palantir,
Yeah.
Oh,
Palantir,
so you got
yeah,
some
yeah.
money. Okay.
I could have got more, but
I,
oh man,
that's what
it
we all
went to
could say. That's what we all could say.
Yeah.
no, it literally went 5 times more than what we sold it to. Uh,
Yeah. Yeah.
but yeah,
But you
yeah,
got
it did
some
make
though.
some
You
money.
got some. Yeah, you
Yeah,
got
yeah,
some.
yeah, yeah. Overnight, yeah, yeah.
It's
I did.
embarrassing. Okay. The contract went from for me $195 to over $2,000 each. But I sold it for 400 bucks. But Arun thought that he cashed out and made like a bandit by selling for 420. Right? It's like I made $20 more than you, Dennis.
Uh,
No,
oh
man.
man.
But this thing shot up to $2,000. Bullshit. Okay. All right. I am going to call it a night.
Nope.
Yeah. So apparently, like crypto trading is technically on 24/7. So we're gonna be doing these evenings quite a bit until we catch a trade. Right.
All right.
Okay. I'll catch you. I'll catch you guys
Are you
later.
just looking at Bitcoin?
For the evenings.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right.
All right. Take care, everyone.
Right. Take
All
care.
right,
See you
later.
guys later.
See ya.
Bye.
Bye.